Today we're going to be installing and testing the 30-inch voltage lighting LED bar. It's a low-profile bar that comes with everything you need for a complete install. It has relays, toggle switches, and inline fuses. Everything here is covered with nice rubber sheeting. The LED light bar also comes with 3 Axia alloy mounts. They're perfect for all the common roll cages on today's UTVs. The first thing you want to do is get your roll cage mounts around the cage. We spaced ours out in 3 separate sections that allow us to have our bar neatly centered. Next, you want to attach your mounts to the light bar itself. Make sure you don't tighten them all the way down, because then you can further adjust your light bar with it. Once you've tightened all 3 mounts, you can now bend your bar down and slowly start to position it in where you want it to shine. When you're happy with the location of your bar, continue to tighten down all the bolts all the way across the mounts. Now that your light bar is mounted up, you're ready to run your wiring. We chose to run ours along the edge of the cage and down behind the seat to the battery. From there, we're going to be running a toggle switch up to the dash. Remove your seat to expose the battery compartment. This will make it a lot easier to work on your machine and install the rest of the wires. You can see where we placed our wires along the roll cage, noted by the red zip ties. For this part of the install, you want to remove your positive and negative battery terminal. You'll have to hook up your relay and your power source there as well. You can see here we chose to mount our toggle switch right in the factory dash of the Razor. We are using an aftermarket switch just because we wanted a rubber coating, but this kit does come with an identical switch without the rubberized coating. The voltage LED bar is extremely bright. This is much brighter than all the HID kits that are on the market. LED technology uses a ton of less energy, therefore allowing you to have more power for other accessories. If you're interested in a great LED bar with an unbeatable price, visit Voltage Lighting or Wheelie Motorsports. Their bars are top notch and much cheaper than many of the other options out there. For more product reviews and install videos, please visit JT's Ride blog at glamishtrips.com.